Hi everyone, this is Satanas Michnev with LegalTrek. Very quick show of our new preview for subscription invoices. As you can see, I'm in a certain client, and the client has several subscriptions. Now, many of you have said, okay, when I create my usual invoice for my legal work or for my monthly work, I'm able to preview the invoice to make sure that details such as the issuer date, place, currency, etc. are okay. But so when I create an invoice for a subscription, I don't have this possibility. Now we are able to preview invoices that have been made for subscriptions as well with this new preview button. It works the same way as the preview button for your invoice. You can make sure your date, double check, triple check invoice numbers. You can get your conversion rate. You can get your dates. You can get whatever you need, and you can preview your invoice for subscriptions as well before issuing. It's gonna take a second. You are going to now see the preview, whatever that is going to be, and then you'll be able to generate and save your invoice. Okay, so that's the feature. I hope it's useful. Thank you very much for watching.